Want to get rich in your 20s? Then stop doing this. Voiceover. Everyone talks about what you need to do to get rich in your 20s. But the truth is, success often comes from what you stop doing. If you're serious about building wealth early, pay close attention. Scene 1. Lazy scrolling on phone, clock ticking fast. 1. Stop wasting time. Scrolling for hours on TikTok, Netflix, or YouTube without purpose is silently stealing your future. Your time is your most valuable asset in your 20s. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. Use it wisely. Build, learn, execute. Scene 2. A young man with friends at party, then fades to bank balance dropping. 2. Stop trying to look rich. Spending money to look successful won't make you successful. Those flashy shoes, latest phones, constant eating out, they're keeping you broke. Invest in assets, not image. Let your results speak, not your outfit. Scene 3. Man gaming for hours, then camera zooms out to show wasted hours on screen. 3. Stop numbing your mind with distractions, games, gossip, endless entertainment. If you're constantly escaping reality, you'll never improve it. Switch distractions for disciplines. Trade dopamine hits for real wins. Scene 4. A person arguing with family friends. 4. Stop listening to people who've never been where you want to go. Everyone has an opinion, but not everyone has results. Don't let broke people teach you how to build wealth. Learn from mentors. Read books. Follow those who've done it. Scene 5. Calendar pages flipping fast. Deadline approaching. 5. Stop waiting for the right time. There's no perfect day, perfect plan, or perfect mood. Start now. Start small. But start. Wealth is built in the quiet daily choices no one sees. Scene 6. Young man reading, working alone at night. 6. Stop underestimating the power of learning. Every successful person reads, studies, learns from mistakes. Your brain is your best investment. Grow it daily. Scene 7. Savings growing, graphs going up, man smiling in mirror. 7. Stop spending before you save. The formula is simple. Income, savings equals expenses, not the other way around. Rich people save first, then spend what's left. Poor people spend first, then save what's left, which is nothing. Scene 8. Man waking early, running, journaling. 8. Stop living without discipline. No one becomes rich by accident. Discipline equals freedom. Wake early, plan your day, delay gratification. That's how you win. Ending scene. Calm sunrise, man looking over a city. Text overlay, you can be rich, but only if you stop being average. Voiceover, ending. In your 20s, you are writing the blueprint of your future. Make sure it's a blueprint for wealth, not regret. Stop doing what average people do, and you'll stop getting average results. It starts with you.